Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Nissan Qashqai N-Connecta. This car comes with a 1.6 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 64 miles per gallon. An insurance group of 18 and the mileage is just over 39,000 miles, and the car would have had 6 services before collection of the new vehicle. This particular colour is called Pearl Black and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the N-Connecta comes really well equipped. So a few features worth mentioning: you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, Bluetooth and DAB radio, and this car also has climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and also the best feature that I think, you've got the full-length glass sunroof with blind as well, so lets in plenty of light. Being an SUV, you've got the nice raised driving position, easy access into the back there, so if you're getting children in and out of car seats, and lots of headroom and legroom. And I see the car's got pockets in the back of the front seats as well. And as we open the tailgate on the Qashqai, you've got the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place, and also the adjustable floor that you can either lower down completely or hide bits underneath. And you also have a tyre inflator kit underneath the boot floor as well. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors, as well as a 360-degree camera, so ideal for parking. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.